Okay, so we got a plan. When I come up in November, I'm gonna bring the tank here. We're gonna weld the two bung holes together there, so I can have an outside fuel gauge. Then I am going to. I don't know how it's kind of dark out here. Okay, my speedometer. I'm going to move the speedometer and put it. Oh, damn it! I'm going to move that, and then I'm going to mount it. This is my gas cap, roughly the same size. I'm going to mount it right there. So I'm going to drill a hole in here, and then what's going to fit there is going to be this cup that I've made. Still not quite the exact right dimension because I got to take the speedometer off. But the Speedo is going to fit inside here. This is going to be, shit, that's still hot. That's going to be welded because I made a little lip there, as you can see. That's going to be welded around this. So it's going to stick up a little bit. Speedometer is going to fit in the bottom of it, all the way down. I haven't figured out how I'm going to secure it in here yet. Probably just a little glue or something just to hold it in place. Inside I got a hole. As you can see, that little hole. That's for my wires. I might have to make it a little bit larger. My plan is I've got a little space between here and here. So there's a little gap there. And I'm also going to put some of that foam here to sit on top of the frame. This is all considering I keep the bike, by the way. So I'm probably going to drill a hole straight through to, let me lay this down. Damn it. Whoops. So I'm probably going to drill a hole straight through to the bottom of here. So it's going to come down at an angle like this. And then it's going to come out somewhere up here. I think I got enough space just to bring the wires out. So when I drill this hole, the bottom piece of, I'm going to make a tube that goes from this hole and comes out the bottom. So basically it's going to be, this isn't it, but basically it's going to be like a tube. This is brass, but I can't use that. So the brass tube's going to come out from the bottom. We're going to weld that in. And then this is what's going to come all the way through up to the cup, so that the wires can come out the bottom. That way it can be sealed and no electrical can get through it and no sparking, no nothing. If you got any thoughts or comments, let me know. But that's the plan that I'm going to do. And I'm going to replace. I was actually good at, my other plan is to just put it right here where I was going to put it if I'm going to keep this tank. But I kind of want to put that tank on. But if I do decide to do this tank, you let me know. I'll pull it off and do it through that tank. I mean, it will fit either way. But I got to make my little cup a little smaller. And then, yes, I'm going to learn how to powder coat. I found a thing online. It's a gun that you just hook up to your air compressor. It's about 120 bucks, and it just pees out the powder. I'm going to buy an old oven somewhere, and so I can put the parts in them and bake them. I've been looking at it on YouTube and everything, and looks like it's going to be an easy idea, and I can get the same color powder that I got now. So I can powder this one to look exactly like that one. Or if I have to strip that one down to put the Speedo in that tank, then I can repowder coat it. So you let me know what you think. That's it. I'm done. Goodbye.